Hello and welcome to our channel Wiki Procedure Info. Today we will see how to obtain a business license or permit for food manufacturing unit in Meghalaya. The link which I'm highlighting right now, you will find this link in the description box of this video. You can click on the link to reach this page. Once you reach this page, you can select your suitable language from this select language tab, which you can find on the top left corner of this page. In this page, we have gathered all the relevant information and instructions about this procedure. Here you will find office locations and contacts, and if you scroll down you will see many other informations. So you have three options for this application. You can apply in person, apply online, or you can apply through mobile app. But before approaching any of them, you should arrange these documents. These are ID proof and address proof, one photo of the food manufacturer, identity proof documents such as ration card, departments issued ID, etc. Affidavit, declaration of food safety management plan, a layout of the manufacturing unit, a layout plan of the processing unit, list of food categories, water tasting report, NOC from owners or partners, medical certificate, source of raw material, and pesticide residue of report of water, list of machine with names which are used in manufacturing. After arranging these documents, you can sit for the online application. For online application, you have to click on this link and you will be taken to this page. Here you have to scroll down and apply for new license registration. Find this button and click on this button, and after that you will be taken to this page. Here you can see you can apply new license and registration. Here you have to choose your premises of operation, general, railway station or airport. For example, I'm clicking on general, and after that you will be taken to this page. Here you will have to select your state from this drop down menu, and you will find these options. Here you should apply and choose your business type. To apply for a central license for all businesses, select your type of business and annual turnover. Like dairy unit, you should select your annual turnover and then click on the proceed tab, and then click here to apply central license for all businesses. After that, fill out the form B page, fill in the required document or required information under premises details, and click save and next on the production selection page, and then authenticate. You can get a authenticate the details for DGFT and proceed with DGFT validation. Save the authenticated details and proceed with DAGFT validation. Fill in the communication details and click save and next. Upload your required documents and click save and next. Pay the fees and submit the application. A receipt with a 17-digit reference number will be generated. You can track the application through the home page and receive notification via email or SMS. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, subscribe our channel for more procedure videos like this. Also, if you have any query, please leave in the comment section. We will meet your query as soon as possible. Thank you.